Hello, I'm Joe Braga with Engraver's Choice. I've been in the industry for over 30 years. I've watched it develop from the first Will Dahlgren engraver all the way up through the lasers. I've been a training partner for CorelDRAW. I've been the National Service Center for Lightburn and for EngraveLab. I own EngraveLabTraining.com, CorelDrawTraining.com, and LightburnTraining.com. But we put together a series of video packages and support programs to support laser engravers and routers throughout the industry. One of the things that we do is when we put these together, we looked at them from an engraver standpoint, not from an engineering standpoint like many manuals do. We understand that most of the engravers and lasers in the industry are built so solidly that most of the questions are going to come vis-a-vis software and how to interface that software with the laser and what to do to the software so that it will cut correctly or defaults will hold and things of this sort. So this is not CorelDRAW for CorelDRAW, this is CorelDRAW for a laser. And nobody's taught more classes for CorelDRAW for a laser or for Lightburn, in fact, than I have. Each page of the full color manual is set up for one thought, broken down to 4 sections with supporting graphics and a 3 to 5 minute video. It's put together in a syllabus where it builds on itself. So we learn the 5 steps: how the size of plate, text on the screen, assign your fonts if needed, resize, reposition. We learn things like off, origin focus file for the laser, how to interface your lasers. These videos also have command videos which show you how to do your optics cleaning, will show you how to do troubleshooting, get you familiar with the nomenclature of the machines, preventative maintenance, etc. You also have command videos where you can just say, I'm a newbie and I don't know what the file pull down menu is and I don't know how to open a file, and it just talks about that. Each page of the manual has a video, but there are extra videos within the system that just address certain things that don't necessarily have a manual with it because it doesn't require it. These units are also set up for EasyCAD, Xenetech's XGW course, which is 3 manuals: basic, intermediate, intermediate advanced, intermediate operational. The CorelDRAW manual is set up into basic, intermediate, and advanced intermediate. The Lightburn manual is 1 full manual, but it's over 200 videos. EasyCAD, as you know, is for fibers. There's also an RDWorks manual for those of you that want to stay with RDWorks. There's even a LaserCAD manual for those of you who want to stay with that interface. But I prefer Lightburn. Lightburn is the future of laser engraving. It's the first laser engraving program ever built from the first line of code. Everything else was adapted from either a CNC machine or a printer. Call me at 949-355-4000 or contact me on the internet under sales@engraverschoice.com, which is also the website in www.engraverschoice.com. Hope to hear from you. Thank you.